I don't know about you, but I am stoked to finally start talking about
Very
this watch.
excited.
I feel like we've been really good at keeping secrets in the embargo.
We have kept this watch a secret for a long time, so let it be known that we can keep a secret about a release. But this is something that Panerai has had cooking for a while.
Yeah.
And it's a really exciting collaboration, especially for the U.S. and our markets.
Yep. Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is George Reed, and I'm the Fine Timepiece Director here at Oliver Smith Jeweler. I'm sitting here with Elizabeth, and those shrewd viewers who've been watching us for a while might notice a new piece of jewelry on Elizabeth's finger. You notice we haven't had any releases in a little while. Elizabeth went and got married, so she's been on her honeymoon, and we've been missing her around here, but just on behalf of everybody here at Oliver Smith, I want to say congratulations.
Thank you. And I did meet my husband via Panerai, which is exciting.
Right, you met in Aspen at the Panerai Boutique. That's awesome. I forgot about that.
It's a fun tie to what we're doing today for sure.
Very cool.
Thank you.
So we are sitting here with the brand new Panerai limited edition Navy Seals Carbotech. First one we've seen. We just got it here like yesterday, and it's expressly here for us to talk about. Now, those of you who know me know my favorite thing to do is learn about a new watch. Kind of changing things up a little bit. I had so much fun when you taught me about another brand's watches that we decided to do it again. So I purposely shoved my head in the sand on this one. I know very little about this watch, so take it away, Elizabeth.
If you know about the history of Panerai, deep ties, the Italian military, strong naval ties, always very sporty watches, could be worn by military, water-resistant watches.
Absolutely. Right?
So it really makes sense that they've decided to partner with the U.S. Navy SEALs.
I love it.
Now, 3 watches released with this. There's an experience piece, the carbon fiber that we're talking about today, and a steel version. All were designed in partnership with the U.S. Navy SEALs, which is very cool. So a little bit of background on them. U.S. Navy Sea, Air, and Land is what Navy SEALs stands for.
Perfect.
Was founded by JFK in 1962 as an unconventional situation force.
Okay.
So they're going to be sent into these situations, whatever it might be, the Navy SEALs can handle it. 4 things on this watch that are very Navy SEALs inspired. Okay. The first one's going to be that yellow-orange color that you touched on.
I love that color. It's right in between the two. Joking off camera, I want a car in that color. I think it's absolutely fantastic.
It's beautiful. It's very interesting. So it's actually the golden yellow for the golden trident, which has become the pin you see on the Navy SEALs. So it's actually on the back of the watch as well, so we'll follow along. But the anchor on there represents the Navy. The trident is the connection to the sea. The pistol represents the compatibility of the Navy SEALs. And it's usually, like I said, seen on the pins or something, but it's in that golden trident yellow color.
Is that back titanium like the other ones?
Yes, it is. Yes, back titanium on the watch. Okay, second thing that's very Navy SEALs inspired about this, 162 pieces on the Carbotech represents 1962, the year that the SEALs were founded.
Okay, I was actually curious about that. I did look at the molestimation number.
Yes.
But okay.
You did a little bit more looking than you
I couldn't help but not touch the watch. Come on.
Okay, third thing, very much on the dial, which is cool. The seconds hand is meant to look like a target.
I can see that. Yeah, you got the crosshairs there. Yep.
Yeah, just military cool.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's part of that. And then the fourth thing, which we don't have in front of us, but we're going to show a photo, the second strap is a camouflage strap that comes with this and is a black and gray pattern that is actually worn by the SEALs.
Are you serious? We don't have that here.
We've got a photo.
Oh, man. Okay.
We got a photo.
Oh, I got to see that. Okay.
So all those things very inspired into the piece.
Very cool.
Let's talk now about the watch itself. 44 millimeter submersible.
Love it.
A new size we saw released from Panerai within the last year.
We called it.
So the 44 was coming? Oh, yeah. We'll link that video for your predictions. We're right. First time in this kind of release that we've seen a GMT on the submersible 44 millimeter.
Yep. So it's kind of it's the same movement that was used in the Luna Rossa very successfully. But that was a 47 millimeter. I'm used to a 47 millimeter Carbotech.
Yes.
So to see it in 44, which I'm sorry, guys, it's the right size for this watch. I always felt the 42 was a little small. I always thought the 47 was a little bit big. This is perfect. I'm so excited that they're finally doing a Carbotech GMT in 44.
It's just right.
Yep.
And Carbotech makes it very light, very tough. Let's talk a little bit about Panerai Carbotech.
Yeah.
They take 120 sheets in a woven pattern and put it under immense pressure and heat, and then cut out the entire watch from that block so nothing's welded or put together. It's going to make this watch extremely tough.
Yeah.
Perfect for any military or conventional situation, right?
This is one that dares you to use it like other watches can only advertise you can use it. Yeah, absolutely.
That's a good point. And the dial itself is carbon fiber.
Forged carbon fiber, yeah. So if you're a car guy, which I am, that's going to look really familiar to you. You have the carbon fiber traditional case with the layers, the melt, the compression. And then you have a forged carbon fiber dial, which is just stunning. It almost looks like meteorite. The way light plays on that is just...
camouflage.
Or camouflage. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, very, very cool.
There's a lot of details in this piece. It's really special. Also, I want to highlight just above the 6 o'clock, it has Navy SEALs.
On the dial. Yep.
Yeah, on the dial
very, very
as
cool.
well. Rubberized Crown. We've seen this recently from Panerai in the last couple years. It's in that cool yellow color, but also it's really comfortable.
And they even did registered trademark in that same yellow, which I absolutely love. Yeah, God, it's just pretty. The colorway is just fantastic on this. Kind of a gray loom, which I just love.
Dives to 300 meters.
As
Should
expected.
be plenty.
Yep.
And a 3-day power reserve.
Perfect. Well, Elizabeth, thank you so much for teaching me about this watch. I absolutely love that.
A flip of the script. This never happens.
No, it's just such a cool piece. I'm so stoked to have it and finally be able to tell you guys about it. That's also a relief. I don't like keeping secrets from you guys. But if you guys like this content, please remember to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you soon.